Want to have Apple Intelligence summarize messages you receive on your iPhone, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to summarize messages and emails using Apple Intelligence on iPhone. Now let's get started. To turn on Apple Intelligence message summaries, open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps. Then select Messages. Scroll down until you see Summarize Messages. Tap the switch to enable this feature. Tap the arrow in the top left corner to go back to your list of apps. Then select Mail. Scroll down to the Message Lists section and tap the switch labeled Summarize Message Previews to turn on AI message summaries for your emails. Once you've enabled these, you'll see a summary of your messages under each conversation in both your messages and emails. This makes it easy to check what's being discussed at a glance. That's all it takes to enable message summaries with Apple Intelligence on iPhone. Want to be able to check your text messages on your Mac? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.